Have you ever said out loud or in your mind that you would make so much money wholesaling, you would be so successful wholesaling if only you had enough time. If only you had enough time. If only you didn't have this full-time job, or if only you had enough in savings, or if you didn't have so many kids, or you had all these responsibilities and your time was just sucked up all the time. That is 100% a lie. I'm gonna break it down for you on this video. Check it out. Brent Daniels, and the number that I want you to think about right now is 168. Write it down big, put it somewhere where you can see it. 168, that is how many hours we have in a week. We all have the same amount, it's 168. Now, let's break this thing down, because I'm telling you, this is not about time management, it is about priority management. Okay, now let's say that you've got bills, you've got responsibilities, you have children, you have a career, you have things that you have to pay off, maybe student debt, some of these things, right? You're responsible for that already. So you need to bring in income right now to be able to take care of those responsibilities. I totally get it. So let's break down how much time you actually need to be able to start pulling your priorities and your time over to the side of your wholesaling business, because that is the main goal, is to be able to do this full time and then be able to hire people and grow it and scale it so that you can do whatever you want with your time. Priority management, not time management. But let's just say you're already set in stone with certain responsibilities that you have to take care of. So let's talk about taking care of yourself, taking care of your mind. You need to get sleep. 56 hours of sleep I have here on the board. 56 hours. That's if you're sleeping 8 hours a day. I don't know anybody that sleeps 8 hours a day, but maybe that's you. Let's just give you that time to be able to lay in bed, read, whatever it is, 8 hours a day. That's 56 hours, okay? Now let's go to your job. You're at your job for 40 hours a week, right? That's a typical American job, is 40 hours a week, and then you get overtime for some of the other jobs. So you're at your job for 40 hours a week, and you're sleeping for 56 hours, okay? That's 96 hours so far out of 168. Well, let's say you spend some time with your family. Let's say you spend 4 hours a day just with family, with friends, with recreation, with working out, just doing whatever, just hanging out, whatever it is. 4 hours, that's 28 hours a week. That means for your wholesaling business, guys, you have 44 hours. You have 44 hours. Let me ask you a real honest question. If you were to take 3 hours, and if you were to get a list of distressed property owners, and you were to get their phone numbers, which, listen, on this channel, you know where to get the list, you know where to get the phone numbers, you know what to say to them with the scripts. If you don't, just email me, brent@wholesalinginc.com. What if you were to just take 3 hours a day and to call distressed property owners, and ask them if they would consider an offer on your property? Do you think there's any chance in the world that you wouldn't succeed? Is there any chance? I don't care if you're the meanest, I don't care if you have the worst sounding voice in the world, the deal would fall in your lap. It definitely would fall in your lap. And how many deals do you need to get before you start supplementing your income, right? Could you get a $10,000 deal? Could you get a $50,000 deal? It's priority management. All I'm asking is, if you've got a full-time job, let's say you're in the military. I have a ton of TTP students that are crushing it, and they're in the military, active military, setting up their life for when they get out of the military. Like the time blocks, it is all about time blocking, and it's about priority blocking. When in your schedule, look at your schedule right now and find me an hour. Just start with 1 hour that you can make calls to distressed property owners and see if you can solve their problem. Just 1 hour, and build up your endurance. Go to an hour and 15, hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours. Build this up. Build up your endurance. Get going in this thing. Get rejected. Get accepted. Get the blood pumping. That is something new, and you're having conversations with new people every single day. I'm telling you, you're going to take those small wins every single day of talking to new people, and you will find opportunities out there. It's impossible not to. It truly is impossible not to. You've got 44 hours that you can dedicate to your business if you've got a full-time job. Remember, what are we doing with our time? Are we just out there spending it on entertainment? Are we consuming things? Or are we out there providing value? That's what it takes. That's what it takes around the country if you want to take this seriously and get out of the humdrum of your everyday life and get into something exciting like real estate investing, real estate wholesaling. You gotta set aside, just push it off to the side. Try it for a month, try it for 90 days. See what differences happen in your life. See how you grow as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, business minded. All of a sudden you want to start reading books and watching videos and just getting so obsessed with this business. That's where I want. That's the priority management. You should only be listening to podcasts and positive things in your car. You should only be putting on really, really smart instructional videos when you're watching TV. Sure, have some downtime. You got 4 hours a day for downtime, but the rest of the time is my time. The rest of the time is you talking to people. That is the key to get you out of the full-time job, get you into this full-time, if you want. If this is your passion, if this is what you've come to this channel for, I don't know why else you would come. Maybe you're just trying to figure out what this whole thing is. But if you're going to be serious about this business, you have the time. It just depends on if it's a priority in your world. I hope this makes sense because I really hope you make this a priority. It has opened up the lives of so many people that I know of, friends, family, students, myself, just completely financially open up the world. Wholesaling is like hitting the lottery. It is a cash machine. It is how you find the best opportunities in the marketplace. That could be you. I hope it's you. So I hope this video makes sense. Priority management, not time management. Start out. Just give me an hour. Give me an hour a day. Find 5 hours, 7 hours a week where you can commit to this business and grow from there. See the results that happen because it's going to be bananas and you're going to love it and you're going to thank me later on this video. By the way, if you comment on this video, Alejandra, who's behind the camera, is going to select at random and send you some TTP gear. The new hats, whoo, they're on fire. The new shirts, they fit everybody. They look great. Obviously, I wear it every day in every video. So comment down below. I don't care what it is. Say something positive in there, and we'll select at random and send somebody some TTP gear. Until next time. I encourage everybody out there to talk to people. Love you. See ya.